to create such interactive dashboard using slicers in your Excel document. Let me show you. At first, we need to combine all our data and they should be reflected in such a chart. At first, I will remove this smart chart. How to do this? I will click on any cell of my chart. After that, I will go to Table Design and click on Convert to Range. It's okay. Now I will create a smart chart. For this, I will press on my keyboard Ctrl-A. After that, I will press Ctrl-T and create the smart chart. Please make sure that you here have such heat. My table has headers. Press OK. Now our table is smart. Then go to the Insert tab and choose on Pivot Table. After that, I will click on Existing Worksheet and choose the location. My pivot table is going to be on a sheet 4. I will choose this location. Now hit OK. And now I will drag all my values that would be reflected in pivot tables. In the rows, I want to see the items that were sold, in values, sales, and in columns, year. Now I have a ready pivot table. I will add a sales dashboard. I will click on any cell in my pivot table, go to Insert tab, and use here clustered column. Click OK. I will drag it up here for my nice looking presentation. Now I will hide my pivot table. How to do this? I will select required rows. After that, right click on my bottom and find here Hide. Perfect. Now I will add slicer. For this, I will click on any area of my sales dashboard, go to Pivot Chart Analyze and choose here Insert Slicer. I will choose Representative and click OK. Now I will drag it up and align it with the right positions for me. I will divide this slicer on 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now when I click on any representative that I want to analyze, I can see his or her sales by years. If I want to see more than 2 representatives, then I have to hold Ctrl button on my keyboard and choose needed representatives. Like this. Now I will release it and all my data are reflected in the sales dashboard. I hope this video was very useful for you. Subscribe to my channel for more video content. If you want to know more about Excel tips and tricks, enroll to my Excel for Beginners course in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.